So last night I made dirty rice for my family of 6. Well, from what I've heard, people also call it rice casserole, but it's up to you to call it whatever you like. But that's what I made for dinner yesterday. So I went ahead and browned up my vegetables just a little bit, not a whole lot. um, I realized that whenever I want to make something, I never really have all the ingredients, but I don't mind. I learned that when I do that, I come up with a whole new dish and I love it. That's the beauty of cooking, and that's why I like cooking. It's blank canvas. And what you just saw there, one of my beautiful children used the soy sauce and they did not put the top back on, but life goes on. Anywho, I made a slurry. I just put some flour, about a spoonful, and some broth, which is on the side. That's what I used in the cup. And I went ahead and put that in the vegetable mixture to thicken it up some. I did, after it got cleaned up, I added some soy sauce just for a little extra flavor and some broth. And then I seasoned. I don't have measurements. Before anyone asks in the comments how many teaspoons, if you see my other videos, I don't do measurements. I just go with the flow of how I feel. And it always works out. So, you do you go ahead and just season to taste. And as you see, after that, I browned up my meat. That is ground turkey. I really don't use red meat like that. I'm not against it, but I prefer turkey meat. I went ahead, I seasoned up my meat, mixed it up, and my daughter, she was helping me out, being a good helper as always, and she cleaned the rice. And as the rice was boiling, I just continued to check on the mixture and the food in general. After the rice was done, I mixed that in as well. I did not season the rice at all. I just put some butter in the rice, and that's all I put in there. I figured, everything else was seasoned enough for us. I also added garlic paste. I just started using garlic paste a month ago. Well, not just the garlic paste, but other herbs in that line. I can't think of the line. But anywho, that seasoning is so good and it brings out the flavor of your food so well. So, I suggest you guys try it. But I went ahead and paired that with some mixed vegetables, put the dirty rice on the plate. Everyone came and made their plate. I made my husband's plates, of course, and I made my plate. And my daughter made her plate and she got her first taste. And she's going straight to the table.